Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato sauce in home. First, choose about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes, such as Roma or San Marzano, for their rich flavor. You'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, a quarter cup of fresh basil, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Ensure your tomatoes are washed and cored before you begin cooking. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious sauce. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn them. Then, add your prepared tomatoes to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. As your sauce simmers, it's time to perfect the flavor. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Stir in a quarter cup of fresh basil leaves during the final 5 minutes of cooking for vibrant aroma. For a smoother texture, use an immersion blender directly in the pot or pass the sauce through a food mill. This step ensures a silky, rich consistency. Once your delicious homemade tomato sauce is ready, let it cool completely before storing. You can keep it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, perfect for quick weeknight meals. For longer enjoyment, freeze individual portions for up to 3 months. This versatile sauce is wonderful with pasta, on pizza, or as a base for many other dishes. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.